Hi guys, it's Miss Zerbal, and I am here to teach you about those high frequency words. Since we're going through the science of reading, we have a better way of teaching those high frequency words. Traditionally, we would call them sight words, but we're calling them high frequency words, tricky words, heart words. There's lots of names for them. In my classroom, we're going to call them heart words, and I'm going to tell you why in just a second. All right, let's take one of those tricky words or heart words today. Let's do an example. Let's pretend your child is trying to remember the word said, or you want them to learn the word said. So I would actually write the word said and show it to them. I would say, this is the word said. It rhymes with head. And then I would take it away and I would ask them, how many sounds did you hear in said? Let's try it. S-ed. How many? Yeah, 3 sounds. So I would put 3 lines. I would also have a piece of cereal or a chip or a block or something that they could push up to do each sound. So I would do s-ed or put a chip or a block on each spot. Okay? Then I would ask them some questions. The first thing I would ask is the beginning sound. I would say, what sound did you hear in the beginning of said? Yeah, that S. And I would write the S or have them write the S. Then I would ask them the ending sound. Skip the middle and go right to the end. What sound did you hear at the end of said? Yeah, that D sound. And I would definitely check their D and make sure it's the right way. Okay, because that's still a struggle in first grade too. And then I would tackle the middle sound. I would say, what sound do you hear in the middle of said? S-ed. Yeah, you hear that short E sound. But guess what? In this word, the A-I is making the sound. So that's kind of tricky. That's the part that you have to know by heart. And see how we label it with the heart? Because that's the part you have to learn by heart. So we have said, s-ed, said. And the A-I is making that sound in this word, said. Okay, so that's kind of the pattern that we use for high frequency words now, to highlight the tricky part, if it has a tricky part, or a spelling pattern, or a trick or something to help them remember that word said. But that's what we call heart words. There are heart words, free sites. Heart Word Magic is one of them that you could go to and see some videos that might help you get more information, or free resources for parents. Heart words or Heart Word Magic. So check it out online.